Sanibona bafethu, ngifuna ukwenza i-video about how we draw a-game versus iBay lapha eMhlathuze. First of all, well done to the boy. Well done kuMachita for pushing. Yazi mfethu ukuthi I'm a die-hard fan ePirates, but I'm angry ukuthi ama-point sathola ngawo wonke, but to see ama-players fighting till the end, it's something amazing. Let's go to indlela. Okay, i-approach bifana ne-arrows. Kwi-game ye-arrows into eswinisile ilento ehlesile kwi-game ye-Bay. We were playing same approach, different stadiums. Coach, do you think logo wise? I don't know. Okay, size nge-approach efanayo, uma speed up nge-4, speed up uSiyema, uSibisi, and then bese kuba uNemtanjela uMbatha. Hotho before ibhola licross even i-finish line usuke esengala benosibelebele. It's fine. It's how we play. It's how we dominate ama-game. Ngine problem mangabe i-game isikhombisa ukuthi we are being attacked ngama counter attacks and the coach wethu doesn't do anything to change. Wenza ukuthi okay, I feel like abanye bethu noma mina wenza ukuthi ngimbuke otherwise uNemtanjela worked hard kule game, udlale kahle, pick up to him, but i-game ibingasamdingi uNemtanjela. For me ibisidinga umbule to break ama-windows, because into ebeyenzeka i-game iqalile, right? So 2 minutes we get a chance, usibelebele support to bring uSikisi kumbuthuma, but uzama ukushaya. Okay, it's fine. And then now i-game i-tight yezo ayivuleki. Into eyenzakalayo labantu laba bane midfield eyi-3 epressayo, uMthembu, uHlalu 45, bese kuba uZikhali, very good boy on the right, uGumede on the left, uBanzi, bese bebe noMahala. Into abayenzayo oMthembu, they press high uMbatha beNemtanjela ukuthi ibhola bangaqali, because once ibhola lafika kuMbatha liya kuMfokeng, from uMfokeng liya kwaPolice noma liyongena. Now bavala i-supply from kwi-midfield, bevumela ukuthi ibhola liqale uSibisi. Whenever bebepressa on the left, bevalela uCM ukuthi adlale so that ibhola lizoya kuSibisi. From uSibisi to uHotho will lose the ball vele for sure, or liphule ngaphandle, and then they regain i-confidence. Lonto yenzeke up until i-game iphele. Bekubonela ngathi iPirates ingena ka left because bebesivume ukuthi siqale ngaka left. What they do is uMahala benoBanzi, they will cheat if ibhola lidlalwa ngale ngaGumede, because bebenza i-triangle emuva, uMabuya ubenza i-triangle, uMabuya uhlali i-holding yabo, bese kuba uGumede bazokwenza i-triangle lapho ukuthi uMfokeng noma uMoremi bangayindawo. There will be no supply, there will be no goal, there will be no nothing, because ubaba uMfokeng bayamazi uyingozi meqhamuka ngaka left. So uBanzi ngala ngaka right uzocheater benoMahala ukuthi whenever ama-second ball they were doing so well, bewina ama-second balls, uMahala ubefika kunoSibisi and bebe quick ukuya phambili. Now how many times besingenwa kwi-counter attack? I'm like, now we need the ushintsha i-approach, maybe keep uHotho or like sibe i-back 3, uHotho aphume ngemuva, hayi ukuthi aphume ama-wing backs 8 aphume wo-2, because we are left emuva sivulekile. Coach didn't do that. Okay, now I'm saying ukuthi okay, i-game 1-0 kwenzekile langena igoli, no problem kuchaya, even uSiyema akazwanga, I assume ukuthi kuthiwa liyekele boy. Okay, it's fine, it's a mistake, langena igoli. Machita ayazama, but the problem is sidinga i-midfielder, because now besidinga i-pass ezoba ngemuva kwaMbatha, but futhi ibe phambili kwaMfokeng, so that sikwazi ukwenza i-break attack. There was no fluent movement kuMbuthuma. uMbuthuma is direct number 9, kanti la game bedinga umuntu onjengoMakgopa onama-touches amnandi ozoshifta nama-defenders, of which he did it massively ku-second half. So now we go half time, I think 1-0 siyabuya. Okay, siyakora, we're done, let's score there. Coach wethu keeper uwaPolice, the only man obayi-problem kuma pocket umkhipha ngaphandle. Now after sesiphunyelwe uwaPolice, I'm like, what are we gonna do? Because Umorem was not in the game. Okay, okay, it's fine. Keep Umorem because is we goal poacher angasilikalela kuma first time if eqhamuka ngakale because vele was like njengoba labantu bene left back uSikhakhane guys siyamazi uSikhakhane we were supposed to change approach singene ka right ucoach uyenze late waletha uMoremi on the right but now uMoremi on the right akabi I problem. Now it takes out uMoremi ufaka uTito benomlungu. Now I'm confused now because now we need uMasangaye kwifanele 30 but now uMasangaye is coming to be a number 8 uzokhola ibhola move alipass ulipasela abantu because i-pitch incane labantu vele bahlele move. We need someone lakhumbule umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi enze i10 kwisiphithi enze ipass so that uhlali benomthembu bengizokwazi ukufunctiona. You saw uMthembu being a man of the match because uMthembu was covering i-distance benozikhali bebengenako number 10 but work hard. So I feel like i-game yethu was led down by ama-tactics. Angifuna ukukhuluma ngo-coach or anyone. We support with ama-tactics ukuthi i-game masiqala i-game kuma-pitch kanje. We don't have to lead the game ngo-2-0 or 6-0 akona esigodini i-pitch ayisivumi. We support ukuthi like i-control bafowethu i-midfield yethu ipasane 1-2 ibuye kuSibisi ibhola and then from uSibisi siphume ngemove like ibhola lemnandi but now we are rushing. It's like sine plan A1 ukuthi iPirates imeli ikore kuqala. So shoot njengamanje njengoba sidlala ama game esawinile isiwe uChina had ilokhuzana at i-clean sheet. Whenever sakorela we don't have a plan B ukuthi okay how do you win. We gonna put some forward. So I feel like ucoach kumele ayilungise ukuthi sometimes we need a controlled gun speed. And then i-speed sesiphuma ngemove ama-point engasasilindele because now we are too quick. Basically it's like if ibhola likuthina silifuna fast ukuthi liphume manje bese iBay ithole then iBay izekuthina nasi sithole yaphuthuma and ngizwe ukuthi amajita landed eBay ngo5 ephume goal ngeprivate jet ezodlala igame ngo-7. Ifatigue uyibonile second half fatigue leya pitch incane you need to run. Uyazi eGermany ukuthi whenever i-pitch incane usho ukuthi you'll cover more distance. So I feel like we need to come up with ama-options ukuthi singabi ne-approach A1 ama-team azosibhaqabula bafethu because ama-team I wanna give praises to ucoach uPapi Zotwane. He's something else like why Magesi became better now ula le team is coached bra ama-sub awenzayo makes sense la ufaka ungema wafaka lo mfana lo uneba 77 if ngingaphazama I think uKhumalo ama-sub akhe makes sense wakhipha uMahalo wafaka istriker esimola kumahopa fethu thina on the other side makungena isapha I think siqala ukushela ko 75 and I'm like mokhipha uMbuthuma for uMahopa KK what's the plan because sidinga i-creativity along bra. Okay, let's move on to the next game but I feel like this time around ama-tactics asiluzile. We cannot win wonke ama-game nge-dominance. Amanye ama-game so awina nge-tactics amanye so awina nge-character. Danko.